One of the biggest challenges ng mga aspiring freelancers or yung mga gusto na mag-work from home is kung saan sila pwedeng makahanap ng client or kung saan sila pwedeng mag-apply. Every single day, we get hundreds of messages like this, asking kung pwede silang mag-apply sa amin or kung saan daw pwede mag-apply. So if you're one of them, watch this video until the end. Also, don't forget to subscribe or follow because girl, marami kang matututunang work from home chismis dito. Anyway, ang pinakamadaling sagot dyan, pwede ka pumunta sa mga platforms kagaya ng Upwork, Online Jobs, LinkedIn, or pwede ka mag-check ng mga VA agencies kasi nag-o-offer sila ng free training plus matututo ka kung paano nga ba mag-handle ng clients without having to find clients on your own. However, paano mo nga ba malalaman kung ano yung service na i-offer mo? Paano kung wala ka nung sinasabi nila na strong na portfolio showcasing your skills? Paano nga ba yung effective na self-promotion at networking? Kung gusto mo nang pag-aralan yung freelancing pero hindi mo alam kung saan magsisimula, I highly recommend that you check out our Revamped Basic Work From Home Training Program. Very low commitment kasi 399 pesos lang siya. Plus, kapag na-perfect mo yung attendance, na kumpleto mo yung buong training program namin, you also get that 399 pesos back if perfect ang attendance mo. So, para mag-join, i-click mo lang tong link sa bio ko. May pop-up dito sa baba. Pipiliin mo yung GigHub. It will open the GigHub for you. Nandito na lahat ng free resources na kailangan mo. Plus, nandito na rin lahat ng open classes namin. So, under live mentorship, all you have to do is click on 399 Revamp Basic Work From Home Training Program and it will open the form for you. Siya ha, yan yung i-click nyo. Tapos bubuksan na niyan yung form. Nandun ang lahat ng detalye. Ugaliin natin magbasa. So, babayaran mo lang yung 399 at pagkatapos, fill out the form. Make sure na i-keep mo yung reference at saka yung screenshot ng payment mo as proof. The team will reach out to you for the onboarding. And by the way guys, next week na yung class nito, 6 to 8 p.m. Mondays through Friday. Minsan 6 to 8 sessions tapos na siya, minsan nag-extend hanggang 10. Depende talaga sa kung gaano kabilis pumick up yung mga classmate mo. Anyway, hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis and I'll see you at the classroom. Bye!